Let's talk about SD-WAN and SDN in this particular case. So, what is SD-WAN? It is centralized control function to securely and intelligently direct traffic across the WAN. You understood, right? For example, there is a router. So, in a router, there are basically two planes. Uh, one is data plane, another one is control plane. So control plane is what is the logic of the router. That is where all the calculation happens. For example, the router makes a local table of the routing, right? That is what we call it as routing table. Okay, they do all the they keep on checking other routers in their vicinity, and then they maintain a table with them. So all that processing happens because of your control plane, and all the forwarding, all the blocking, everything happens based on your data plane. So data plane is just doing what work need to be done, but all the processing happen actually on the control plane. Now, if you have thousands of routers, then all these thousands of router will have their separate data plane and control plane. That will involve a lot of processing, because at every router level we are doing a lot of processing, and because of that the network speed is decreasing. So instead of that, what they did, they actually brought the control plane at a central location. They removed the control plane from these routers. Now everything can be monitored, every decision can be made here. They have a better visibility here, and then these routers are just there to like transmit data, as simple as that. And that gives you a lot of independence from different vendors. Now you can implement any router here, and everything is software defined here. So not a problem, right? The cost also comes down, performance goes up, and the vendor dependency also decreases in this case. That is what is SD-WAN. And in SD-WAN, it's really also very, very helpful to implement micro segmentation. You can define all those rules and those policies here in your centralized control plane. So that's what is your SD-WAN. Next is software defined network. So software defined network is nothing wherein you don't have physical network security equipments. You just uh, virtualize everything. So you want to virtualize your firewall? Yes, we have a firewall. Just through firewall, you just need to provision on cloud. Then you need to have a network security group, provision on cloud. You have an IDS and IPS, provision that on cloud. So everything is kind of provisioned on cloud. That is what we call it as software defined networking. And that is again helpful in implementation of micro segmentation, right? Next is VXLAN. Okay.